Morning guys, so today I'm going out for a quick spin on the Duke, and the main reason that I'm going out is that I've bought this Insta 360 1X camera. It's a 360 degree camera. I don't want it for the 360 degree video particularly, but what you can do with it is you can record in 360 and then you can reframe it, so it's like having multiple cameras in one almost. That's the theory. So I'm just going to take it out for a spin today. I'm going to see whether it works, how hard it is to edit the footage. I've put it on this little mount and it's bouncing all over the place, so I'm hoping that the image stabilization of the Insta 360 1X is good enough to cope with that. So I'm not going to talk too much today. I'm just going to take it out for a spin, and then when I get home we'll go through the footage and we'll take a look and see whether it's going to be better than sort of using multiple GoPro cameras, and I can just get away with using one camera plus this GoPro on my helmet. So we'll pop out for a ride and see how it goes. So enjoy. Hopefully what it should do is that I'm going to be able to take one video basically in 360 degrees, and then once I get into post later I can hopefully edit it so that I can show you front, back, side, anything interesting that's going on. But we'll see, because that is just theory. Let me nip out before this van comes. I don't know how good the software is to edit with. I'm not sure what the footage is going to look like, but you can edit it down from, it's a 5.7K 360 degree recording, and you can edit it down to 1080p standard view, so I should be able to keep it up to high definition video, but giving you multiple views. So let's see. One other thing it does is it's got this basically like a selfie stick, and if I can work out a way to clamp it on to decent places, I'll be able to give you a view behind my bike almost as if a camera's following me. But I'm concerned at the moment because I'm looking at it and it's bouncing all over the place because of the mount. Not the camera's fault, the mount's a bit crappy. I bought a motorbike handlebar mount and it is pretty wobbly, so we'll have to have a see what it looks like later. But anyway, it's an excuse for a drive on a nice sunny day, isn't it? So 8 degrees today, bright sunshine. Snowed yesterday or the day before, can't remember. So I'm hoping the roads are nice and dry today though, because it's been dry yesterday and today. So with a bit of luck, get a nice bit of footage and have a nice little ride. On the wrong way. Hopefully this light stays red for long enough for me to just sort the camera out. The buttons are a little bit weird, so I'm just getting used to it. And the screen's not great to see. There we go. If you get a couple of seconds at a stoplight, you're alright. Okay, we're ready to go to the A49 to Whitchurch. Let's see how good this road is. This is where I want to go. And no one else came with me, viewed. I hope you're not bouncing around too much. It looks like you will be. The camera is bouncing around by about 1 centimetre each way, so I'll have to see what the footage looks like. If the image is stable on this, then the stabilization's brilliant. If it isn't, then I'm going to have to get a different mount, because the mount is not great. Would you get a 360 camera and then use it to reframe shots like this? Because it really, in theory, it really should save you having to have multiple cameras and stuff. I'm going. Right, so I'm going to find a place to pull in a minute, and then I could show you kind of what I'm thinking about in terms of the 360 and the fact that you can reframe it, I should, this is the theory, excuse me, I should be able to just hop off the camera, I'm not sitting on the camera, I should be able to just hop off the bike, and you can follow me as I hop off the bike, and you know, the camera's not moving, it's just recording everything, but I can pan around with the video afterwards and follow me wherever I'm going. So that's what I'm going to try and do now. I'm going to see, and then I'll let you know how easy it is actually to edit that. I'm okay at editing, but I'm not super fast, and I'm not really good at editing in terms of using Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. I use DaVinci Resolve, but this camera comes with its own software, which I'm pretty much sure that you need to use to get the 360 footage, and then reframe it, and then you can go, once you've reframed it, you can export it into DaVinci Resolve or into Premiere Pro or whichever one you want, and then you can start to edit it under your normal workflow. So I'll try and find somewhere to pull in a minute, and we'll see if that works. People have told me the app, the computer software, the one on the actual on a PC, is not very good, and some people have said it's all right. So I'll have to go and have a look myself, see what I think.